Let's go make breakfast. Bon appetit. Alright, hello everyone. My name is Jasmine, and today I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek into my life as someone who juggles a 9-to-5 and also runs 2 businesses. Yeah, I know I said 2. I know it's a lot, but I love it. You know, I wouldn't have it either way. I own a marketing agency, and I also represent myself for content creation, TikTok, Instagram, all that. Is it just, like I said, I know it's a lot, but to be honest, I wouldn't be able to do it without the help of Upwork. So if you're a full-time employee and entrepreneur like myself, you know how crucial it is to find reliable freelancers, because honestly, we can't do it on our own. We need to scale as business owners, and we need to buy back our time. I definitely would say doing this has been so beneficial, and it's been the key to success in my business. That's all because I was able to outsource work and jobs. So whether you're just starting out or you've been doing this for a while, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr have made it so much easier. And today I'm going to break down the key differences to help you guys figure out which ones work best for your business. So just go ahead and get started. So first up, let's talk about Upwork. So on Upwork, you can post jobs, you can receive proposals from freelancers from all around the world. And we're talking about talent from over 180 countries with more than 10,000 skills that you can pick and choose from. They also got a talent marketplace where you can find the perfect fit for ongoing projects or just one-time gigs. And there's also a project catalog for fixed price tasks. And y'all, I absolutely love this. It's very flexible. I just love the flexibility, especially for long-term work, which I think is so beneficial and what you really need when you're trying to grow and upscale your business. Now, Fiverr is a little bit different. It's more focused on what they call gigs. So they're one-time services where you can buy from sellers directly. You can browse their profiles, check out their work, and purchase what you need. It's very simple, straight to the point, which I think is good if you're looking for quick one-off jobs. So what's the difference? Well, for me, I really think that it's all going down to the types of freelancers and work that I'm personally looking for. I think Upwork is really ideal when you need someone long-term and I want to build a relationship with over time. I think Fiverr, on the other hand, is more for a quick solution for smaller tasks. I just discovered that Upwork was a better option for me as I'm really trying to, like I said, like scale and grow my business, create longevity as well with my business. And also creating that brand loyalty over and over again. So now let's talk about hiring. So on Upwork, you can post jobs, you can get proposals, and you can hire freelancers and secure contracts and escrow so that you really just know your money's safe until the job is done. I would say Fiverr, on the other hand, is more about prepaying for gigs. So it's simple, but it's not as flexible for ongoing work. Upwork gives you a lot of special features like building a talent bench so you can quickly rehire and hire people that you worked with before in the past, which I think is really great. And they also have a ton of project management tools built right into the platform. And then I would say Fiverr's special feature is Fiverr Pro, which they guarantee top talent. But again, this is more for those one-off gigs. Yes, so Upwork gives you a lot of special features like building a talent bench so that you can quickly hire and rehire people that you previously worked with before in the past. And they also have a lot of project management tools built right into the platform, which makes it so easy. I would say Fiverr's special feature would be Fiverr Pro, which that guarantees top talent. But again, that's only for those one-off gigs. So if you're looking for high quality freelancers and you're looking to build long-term relationships with, I definitely recommend Upwork. I definitely seen the growth that Upwork have provided to my business, and it's definitely kept my 9-to-5 running smoothly as well. So let me know if you guys have any comments. If you ever used Upwork before, any platform similar, let me know. I want to know what your experience was like. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button and definitely make sure to like, comment if you want to see more content like this. And again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again next video.